What if there was a way to create workshop jobs in Gold, Workshop Scheduler, and Gold Service at the touch of a button? We've collaborated with Manitou to utilize the Gold Job Request Portal that does exactly that. Data from the Manitou EasyMANAGER system is automatically analysed and sent to the Gold Job Request Portal. Here, you can receive vital information required to review service alerts and prepare and create a workshop job within Gold without the need to duplicate information. Start by simply logging into the portal. Next, view all alerts or filter by depot. Here you can see whole good details, customer details, alert type, estimated duration of the job, and more. Then, contact customers and create or decline jobs. The Job Request Portal keeps Manitou informed when a job is created, rejected, or invoiced. Once created, open Gold, Workshop Scheduler, or Gold Service and the job will instantly be there. Contact our sales team today to start working proactively with Manitou to create and manage workshop jobs.